Have you ever wondered why some diets seem to work wonders for others, but not for you? Could there be some hidden diet secrets you're yet to discover? Today, we delve into the Puravive Diet, a revolutionary approach that may just hold the keys to your weight loss journey. Picture this, a diet plan that doesn't involve counting calories, starving yourself, or restricting your food groups. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what the Puravive Diet offers. It's all about understanding your body and feeding it with the right nutrients at the right time. The first secret of the Puravive Diet is balance. It's not about completely eliminating certain food types or obsessing over calories. It's about creating a balanced meal plan that includes all the essential nutrients your body needs. This includes proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Remember, your body is a complex machine that needs a variety of nutrients to function optimally. The second secret is timing. The Puravive Diet emphasizes the importance of when you eat, not just what you eat. It encourages eating at regular intervals to keep your metabolism active and your energy levels stable. So you won't find yourself reaching for that mid-afternoon chocolate bar because you're feeling drained. The third secret is hydration. Water plays a critical role in the functioning of every cell in your body. It aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and even helps control your appetite. The Puravive Diet recommends drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body functioning at its best. Now, you may be wondering, what makes the Puravive Diet so special? Well, it's all about sustainability. The Puravive Diet doesn't promise quick overnight results. Instead, it focuses on sustainable weight loss and long-term health. It encourages you to view food as fuel, not as an enemy. It's about making small, manageable changes to your diet that you can maintain in the long run. Moreover, the Puravive Diet is adaptable. It doesn't require you to stick to a rigid meal plan or cut out your favorite foods. Instead, it allows you to adapt the principles to your lifestyle and preferences. To summarize, the Puravive Diet is a balanced, sustainable, and adaptable approach to weight loss. It doesn't involve any drastic measures or unrealistic expectations. It's about understanding your body, feeding it with the right nutrients, and making small but impactful changes to your lifestyle. By following the Puravive Diet, you're not just aiming for a number on the scale. You're working towards a healthier, happier version of yourself. So why not give it a try? After all, the only thing you have to lose is the weight.